So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add users to your BigCommerce account. So the first thing you want to do is open up and log into your account on BigCommerce. From there you can see a layout similar to this one. So from here you can see home, orders, customers, apps, channels, and settings all the way down. Now from there just click on settings. Once you're here, you can see a couple of different categories on your settings. So first of all, you can see setup, then you can see general, orders, products, marketing, domain, and you can see the advanced settings. Now from here, you can see accounting, data solutions, checkout, account signup form, export templates, store logs, users. Now you will need to click on users. Once you've opened that, you can see here a user is someone who has access to the administration area of your store. Each user account also has its own customizable access permissions. So through there, if you want to add a user, you can just go ahead and click on create a user account. From there, you can see the email. The status will be either active or inactive, but usually if you're adding a user, it's going to be an active account. Preferred language, you can switch that as well. And on there you can see some permissions that they're going to be given. So these include all of these different permissions, so make sure that you are comfortable with that new user having all these permissions. You can see sales manager, system admin, high risk, and so on. So you can even put in single click apps on there, and you can enable web dev for this user to use. And once you're done, make sure to click on save, so all that info that you put in is saved. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on BigCommerce or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.